Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of The News. We are out in beautiful Kananaskis once again with this gorgeous mountain range behind us. It is beautiful out here. Again, absolutely try not to take it for granted that we live so close to such a beautiful area. We've got a great episode today. We're talking about the suspension on the GTD. We're talking about an update that allows the F-150 Powerboost to be a lot smoother. And we're also talking about Ford's benchmarking a specific vehicle for something that they might be making in the future. So without further ado, check out this drone footage and let's just get right into this. Starting things off, one of the biggest issues that people had with the hybrid F-150 Powerboost is that the transition from electric motor to internal combustion was a little jarring. That's one of the issues that it had, but that was one of the main ones. So what they've done is the engineers at Ford have used data and insights from the 2021 model to allow the hybrid motor to take over the engine starting through the transmission. The team says they performed over 300 software enhancements and utilized data from hundreds of development test miles to make it happen. Compared to the outgoing truck, the 2024 F-150 hybrid motor and gasoline engine now operate more smoothly. This is great news for people who are interested in buying the Powerboost. It's a phenomenal vehicle with a phenomenal powertrain. So let us know down in the comments what you think about that. Is Ford done obviously the correct thing and gone after an issue and they've solved it? We'd like to see more manufacturers do that, but let us know down in the comments what you feel about that. Do you feel that there is more that they could do with the Powerboost? Do you feel like it is a good truck as is? Let us know. Moving on, the Mustang GTD, the new $300,000 Mustang, is displaying its suspension in a very cool way. The rear suspension is shown through a polycarbonate window that is 24 inches wide and 10 inches tall, and it showcases the blue and gold accents of the suspension like a classic timepiece. It does actually look like a beautiful watch. This is a very, very, very cool concept and something that you're going to be able to witness in your new Mustang GTD once you take delivery of it. And this video shows how the suspension moves when on track. So let us know down in the comments what you think about that. It is one of the coolest features on the new Mustang GTD and we are super excited. Hopefully one of these days we can get our hands on one of those, but I digress. Very cool feature nonetheless. Let us know down in the comments what you think about that. And here we are, last but not least. When manufacturers want to build something new, they usually benchmark it against a current version of it in the auto industry. And Ford has been testing and benchmarking the Cadillac CT4V Blackwing four-door to create something of their own. Now, rumors has it that Ford will be developing a four-door Mustang. That is very cool news because obviously the Mustang family would be growing at that point. You'd have the Mach-E, you'd have the Coupe, and then you'd have the four-door. I think a four-door Mustang would do very well as a small family car. The only thing that they have left to do is turn it into a wagon. A shooting brake Mustang with four doors would be one of the coolest cars ever made. But regardless, it is a very interesting prospect to have a four-door Mustang. The Blackwing 0 to 60 at 3.9 seconds, but chances are they'd be throwing the 5-liter into the four-door. So there's a good chance that it would be roughly the same. So let us know down in the comments how you feel about a four-door Mustang. Is that something that you guys would be interested in? Is that something that you can see Ford going with? Sedans have been out of the market for Ford for quite some time. The last thing that they sold was the Fusion, but it's been gone for several years now. So if they're re-entering the sedan world with a four-door Mustang, I think that is a phenomenal showing from them. So let us know down in the comments what you think about that. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next week.